Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this hairstyle, so please keep watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Grab two sections of your hair and bring them low in the back, then grab an elastic and tie them together. Now take this ponytail and flip it. Next, I'm gonna grab some more hair and tie them together as well. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to pick up this ponytail and flip it. And next, grab some of these pieces of your hair and pull them out. Take this ponytail and split it into two large sections. Then take a small piece from section A and add it to the section B. And then I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to take a small piece from section B and I'm going to add it to the section A. So as you can see, we are creating an X in the middle, and this is essentially the braid. We are just going to repeating this all the way down. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.